3 anime facts that sound fake, but are actually true. In Naruto, Naruto Uzumaki almost wasn't the main character. The original concept focused more on ramen and side characters. In Attack on Titan, creator Hajime Isayama originally planned a much darker ending where almost everyone dies. And in One Piece, Monkey D. Luffy was supposed to finish the story in about 5 years. But it's now been running for over 25 years. And honestly, anime has even crazier facts than this.